Hello kids, I am clock. I tell time. I have three hands. Smallest and slowest hand is our hand. Faster than our hand is minute hand, which is larger than our hand. And fastest and the largest hand is second hand. The direction in which my hands are moving is called clockwise direction. I have 12 hours for daytime and 12 hours for night time. So, I have total 24 hours in a day. This is 6 a.m. You wake up, brush your teeth and take bath at 6 a.m. 6 o'clock. This is 7 a.m. You drink milk, eat dry fruits and get ready at 7 a.m. 7 o'clock. This is 8 a.m. You go to school and attend school assembly at 8 a.m. 8 o'clock. This is 9 a.m. You attend classes at 9 a.m. 9 o'clock. Now kids, you tell me, what do you do at 10 a.m.? This is 10 a.m. It is interval time. You eat your tiffin and play with your friends at 10 a.m. 10 o'clock. 11 a.m. Again you attend classes at 11 a.m. 11 o'clock. This is 12 noon. Time for music class at 12 noon. 12 o'clock. This is 1 p.m. You come home from school at 1 p.m. 1 o'clock. 2 p.m. You have your lunch at 2 p.m. 2 o'clock. Kids, what do you do after 2 o'clock? Three p.m. You take nap at 3 p.m. 3 o'clock. 4 p.m. You drink milk or coffee at 4 p.m. 4 o'clock. 5 p.m. You eat fruits while watching TV at 5 p.m. 5 o'clock. 6 p.m. You play with your friends in park or in ground at 6 p.m. 6 o'clock. 7 p.m. You study at 7 p.m. 7 o'clock. 8 p.m. You spend time with your family at 8 p.m. 8 o'clock. 9 p.m. You eat dinner at 9 p.m. 9 o'clock. Kids, at what time do you sleep? "10 p.m. You listen bedtime stories and sleep at 10 p.m. 10 o'clock. Now I will tell you how to read clock. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. They can be read as 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes. Now, I am going to tell you a story of pizza. I have to complete this pizza in 60 minutes. I have finished 1/4 of pizza in 15 minutes. I have finished half pizza in 30 minutes. I have finished 3/4 of pizza in 45 minutes. On the basis of a story of pizza, it is 3 o'clock. It is 3:05. It is 3:10. It is 3:15. It is also called 3:15. It's 3:20. It's 3:25. It's 3:30. It is also called 3:30. It's 3:35. It's 3:40. It's 3:45. And it is called 3:45. It is 3:50. It's 3:55. It is also called 5:45. Now it's 4 o'clock. Now you tell me, what is the time? So kids, what is this time? It is 7:15. It's 7:30. 7:30. It's 7:45. 7:45. Kids, I am 12-hour clock. You learnt me. Now meet my friend 24-hour clock.
Hello kids, I am 24-hour clock. I have numbers from 1 to 24. I show 24 hours clock time in me. I live in airports and railway stations. Have you seen me there?
Bye
बच्चों.